How to schedule a delivery on Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to schedule a delivery on the time that you want, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Uber application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto Home right here at the top. Select it. Then here you can find time preference right here. So beside the deliver now, here you can find your schedule right here. Select it. Now from here you can simply schedule your time according to your preference. Simply choose today, tomorrow or the day, just like this, and tap onto the time. Just like this, and tap onto schedule. And now you can see you have simply scheduled a delivery time on the Uber Eats. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.